We're going to go into our time of meditation. Thank you, Nico, for playing behind. So maybe just want to take a deep breath, or maybe just a couple deep breaths at your own speed, at your own pace, just the way you like to breathe. And perhaps as you do this, you can already feel yourself settling down. There is nothing like the gift of life and being aware of it and conscious about it and grateful for it that can do wonderful things for our minds, bodies, and souls. As we breathe deeply in and out, we allow the rhythm of the breath to soften your body and calm your mind. With each inhale, feel yourself receiving the gift of life, divine energy. With each exhale, release the tension and the burdens you have been carrying, letting them just drift away like a leaf on a stream. In this quiet place, we come to remember that surrender is not defeat. It is not giving up. It is a conscious choice to release the illusion that we carry everything alone. Surrender is the opening of the heart to the divine presence that guides, supports, and sustains us. Take another breath and imagine yourself standing in a river of light. The current is gentle, yet steady, and you no longer resist its movement. You allow yourself to be carried, knowing that this river is the very flow of spirit. You do not need to control where it goes or how fast it moves. You need only trust that it carries you exactly where you are meant to be. And as you relax into this surrender, notice how peace arises. Notice how spaciousness returns to your thoughts, and how your body feels lighter. Rest here for a moment, affirming quietly in your heart, I surrender and I am guided. I relax and I know I am deeply supported. Feel this truth filling every aspect of your being. And know that because you have brought this thought, this feeling into your being, that you can carry it back into your day, into your life. Remembering that surrender is your invitation into divine harmony and peace. We give thanks that this is so, and so it shall be. Amen.